Hello, I am Leach, Managing Director of Leach Structural Steelwork, based in Preston, Lancashire, England. Currently employ approximately 200 people. Our output is in the region of 250 tonnes per week. We made more investigations into more automation and in 2014 decided to renew our pre-processing with a complete line for beam production from Voortman. Our pre-processing of beams now is fully automated from the stock bay where we load the required bars to the start of the transport system upon where the operator matches the required bars to the batches on the machines. From that point, the transport of the bar through the saws, the drill, coping, marking and the shot blasting is fully automated, and there is no interference manually, completely by transport or conveyor, which has huge benefits in terms of manual handling, safety. From the end of the shot blaster we move to assembly and then to final welding. We then move to our inline paint bays, where the finishing is completed, and then ultimately to stacks ready for the trailers, which we generally put to the lorries by forklift, and that is all in one continuous production line. The new system has allowed us to make more use of our existing labour and deploy our existing staff over more shifts and more machines, which on certain circumstances can give us a 50 and 100% increase in capacity at that point in time. So the machinery that we now have does influence our interest and appetite for a certain type of project which can maximise the return on our investment. With any system you would expect to have issues, especially with the complexity of and the amount of machines that we now have on site. But our service requests are generally responded to within the hour, if not generally less than an hour, and we are generally solved or moving forward within a short period of time. We would recommend Voortman to any future customer for a number of reasons. We now have 10 machines which all play an active part in our business, and we believe that they allow us to succeed in a competitive market.